This video is about to make stickers appear and disappear at different times on your idea pins on Pinterest. Now, after adding your sticker, you can first change its color. You can also move it to where you want it to be on the pin screen, or even change its size, or even rotate it. And after that, you need to tap your sticker, then choose edit duration. And below here, if you want your sticker to appear at the start of your idea pin, you need to drag this timeline bar to this first section. And if you want your sticker to appear at the middle or at the end of your idea pin, you just need to drag the timeline bar to the middle section or to the last section respectively. And you can always add more than one sticker and set when you want them to appear and disappear on your idea pin. And to delete your sticker, you just need to drag it to this trash icon. In addition, if you prefer to upload idea pins from your device, you can first add stickers and set the durations accordingly using a video editor. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Pinterest and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.